So take care of it now. Yeah. So right now I'm just.
Yan, ito pa.
Right. So I'm just staying here. Yeah. About the
Roads closed down.
Sila adik ke adik?
May belum. May belum. May belum. Snack, snack. Ano nga yung hapon? Lakot sarang. Dahil.
Ako naman. Divided by
'Sa bawal sa pas. I think the situation naman here is okay na and then stable naman na, but there are still some cases na mahirap po yung daan sa pagpunta po sa mga isolated areas kung saan ang hirap talaga ng daan, yung putek talaga hanggang tuhod pa rin. But hopefully yung weather maganda-ganda rin po sana kasi para naman maging stable na yung lupa, kasi mahirap talaga daanan para ipunta po yung mga food na kailangang ma-evacuate sa mga places sa mga places na affected, like papaganon-ganon po kasi yung madaanan doon. And then, thank you very much for all your donations, food, clothing, they need that very much kasi yung isang town na talagang affected sa Santo Niño Ambassador is just like a ghost village na daw. And then, it's really a ghost village kasi as in wala na po. Wash out na po siya talaga. According to our quick stat, there are at least 400 families who are affected. And then talagang kailangan po nila is clothing kasi walang-wala. Kung ano yung damit nila, yun din po yung na-save nila. And then school supplies kasi there are many kids, children, high school students, college students na affected. Wala silang na-save na kahit na school supplies sa kanila. And then classes starts Thursday.
Yun yung inyong ending. So instead na ganyan lang, i-drawing nyo, lalagay nyo rin yung words, yung salita. Ano ba tawag doon, Manong? Mang? Mang. Tigilan ang pagputol ng mga puno. Tapos, pag tinigil na, anong susunod?
Huwag putulin ang mga puno. Magtanim ng mga puno.
Tapos may glasses. Tapos ano, whisker. Or nasa harapan lang ng hospital.
want to take this opportunity to thank those who have donated in cash or in kind. Thank you very much for the food, clothings, for everything sa mga ginagawa ninyo sa mga kids na pumunta dito, playing with the kids, and then stress debriefing sa mga parents natin who are in stress na na-trauma sa nangyari. Thank you very much. To God be all the glory. I just want to, in behalf of our municipality, locality, thank you very much. It is a big help talaga.